Hi, and welcome as a new associate to Prepaid Legal Services and the pre-launch to BlastOff Network. We're thrilled and excited to have you a part of this exciting project. I wanted to make sure that each new associate that works with Prepaid Legal understands how to very quickly set up their BlastOff Network page. Keep in mind that it's taking anywhere between 2 and 4 days for a current Prepaid Legal associate that's new in the system to actually obtain login capabilities with their BlastOff network. The site that you need to go to learn how to log in would be prepaidlegal.com/BlastOff. Again, prepaidlegal.com/BlastOff. You'll come up to a page that looks just like this. On the screen, step 1 says to go to your ppl.blastoffnetwork.com login. Please click that button. As a new member of BlastOff, you will need to keep this big picture up here that says Step 2. Your temporary login email is your associate number. You must have your associate number from the eService application that you turned in. If you do not, you need to contact the IVR system, which is a phone number that you will call and just put in your social, and it will give you your associate login. So if you did not capture the associate number once you signed up for Prepaid Legal, you'll need to call 1-800-699-9004. Follow the prompts to get your associate number as well as your PIN number. You'll notice in Step 2 that your temporary login, again, is your associate number and this bogus, made-up email address. We know that's not your email address, but this is just how they're going to identify you as being an associate with Prepaid Legal. So once you come to the login, you're going to put in your associate number at ppl.blastoffnetwork.com, and then the passcode is going to be the same associate number. And once you sign in, I've obviously started my account already, but once you log in, you're going to see a screen that's going to prompt you to set up your own email address, your real email address, as well as a real login. Please do that first thing. You can change any of the account settings once you're logged in to your back office BlastOff homepage under the account settings. That page is pulling up shortly. Right here, sort of in the middle of the page, at the bottom of this field, with an orange button to the next, says account settings. You can go into here, making sure that your name and your address and your passcode is all correct. I would recommend that you make the site name of your website something easy to remember, and don't change it. At least don't change it after we launch to the public. These are the invites that will go out directing your prospects to your BlastOff network. You don't want 2 URLs out there and have one URL that does not work. So again, choose a site name and stick with it. You're ready to set up your site. You can go back to the home page and edit anything on the panels in your website. The backgrounds, colors, the way the buttons are arranged, by literally scrolling down and pressing the edit button. So let's go down to the information and edit button. Click the edit button in the top right hand corner, and you'll notice I've already customized my website, but you'll have the different modules that pull up here, and if you want to edit it, my computer's taking a long time here, sorry about that. If you want to edit it, the button in the top right will allow all of the different options for you to select. These are the ones that are selected in the bottom, in the lighter blue. In the dark blue, there's tons that you can choose from right here, and in the tab bar to the left, you'll notice the different sections. I don't really follow sports, but if you're a sports fan, they certainly have a plethora of different buttons you'll be able to choose. If you want lifestyles, click on lifestyles. It's pretty self-explanatory. If you don't want one of these, you literally click on it and bring it over to the trash can button. Once you're ready, press the Save button. Every single module works this exact same way. Now, if you notice, the only module that we're missing on your website currently are the social sites. I know it's a bummer, but we can't have the social sites listed on here until we launch to the public. Once we launch to the public, you'll be able to go right here and invite 250 of your friends at a time. Obviously, this isn't implemented yet, so we have to wait till we launch to the public. This is why I recommend, a side note, a personal note, that you have other ways of getting the information out. Whether you start a Facebook group or a MySpace group, or you have an email blaster that you're ready to send this out to, because it's to my understanding you'll be only able to send out 250 invites through the BlastOff system. If those 250 invites are accepted, then you can send another 250 out. If they're sitting in someone's junk mail and they never get opened, let's say 50 of them never get opened and 200 of them do, they have to accept or deny it for you to have any more capability of sending out invites through BlastOff. That doesn't mean you can't go give the site to somebody in an email or through another website. So just be prepared, because this is going to be an exciting process, and we want you to have the best ability to literally own most of the marketplace before it really launches to the public. So that's about it for now. I'm really excited for each one of you, and if you need anything, please contact the Performance 2020 site on the content, on the comment page, or email us, and we'll get back to you. Thanks so much for all that you're doing, and we appreciate